Okay, good morning. Now we are going to make online test paper. For that, you first open your Gmail account. So it's my Gmail account. There is a my profile picture, and near it there is a square box. Click on the square box, and there will be drive. Open the drive. Now the drive open. Click on the new open. Now there is a more option. Click on the option more, and there is a Google form. Click on the Google form. Now there is a untitled form. Click on it and write down the name of test paper. Suppose that you want to take the test of charge, and it is from chapter 1, so you can write description from chapter 1. Okay, from chapter 1. Now choose the question 1. Suppose that I want to choose first question, and my first question is, okay, how many types of charge? How many types of charge? So it is a multiple choice question. So there is a right side multiple choice question, short answer, paragraph, whatever type to demand your answer. Suppose that you want to choose the multiple choice, so choose on the multiple choice, and in option 1 I write here 1, second option 2, third option 3, fourth option 4. Okay, now there is a at the bottom of this one there is a required shuffle the options order. If you click on the shuffle the order of option, that means every student will get the different order of question, but don't click on the required. Now for the second question, click on the plus mark. You will get the second question and type at the same manner. Question number 2, if you want to multiple choice, choose the multiple choice or paragraph, whatever you want. Now suppose that one thing is very important, you must demand the name of the child, so write here name, and this will be short answer, and it is compulsory for all students, so there will be required. Without it submission will not possible. Now the second option, choose the second question. There will be section and admission number. Section and admission number. It is also the short answer, and it is also required. Okay, now go on the top of the screen, go on the setting. There is a general, presentation and quizzes. Click on the quizzes, and there will be the make this quiz. Unlock this. Now save this. Now go on your first question, and there will be at last on the first question there will be answer key. So mark the right answer key, and the answer is 2. The 2 is the correct answer. Now it is a 2 mark or 3 mark or 1 mark depending on you. Suppose that 2 mark question. Now click on the done. Now the question has been answered. Okay, now see the preview of the question paper. This is the total, how many charges, name, section, and when a student will be fill all the data and submit, he or she will be get immediately the response of the question. Okay, and how can you send the, so if you want, the student will get the immediate answer, and it is possible only when the type of question is objective, and for that you go on the quiz, and there is a box immediate after the submission. If you click on that, the student will get the immediate answer. And it is possible for the objective. For the paragraph question, click on the letter after the manual review. So there are two type of options, and save it. Okay. Now how can you send the link of the question paper? There is a option send, and there is a URL, shorten URL, and you can copy on your WhatsApp group, or you can directly send your email box. Here is a copy and send to a student. Okay, thank you.